Hey, I'm Sue Dearman. That kid in the yellow shirt, he's my son, Alafia. And the other one, also Alafia. The lady in the pink shirt, that's my wife, Inchek Nur Hikma. Today, we're planning to hit up the young coconut vendor. We forgot to pay for the coconuts we took last time. That stuff on the bike is my younger sibling's motorbike spare parts business. And the hanging stuff? Snacks my wife sells. Kinda helps boost our income. Where we're at, life ain't fancy. Not like where y'all are. We're keeping it simple. That's why we've started a YouTube channel, hoping to make some extra cash. So, please like and subscribe, folks. But hey, even with all this, we're grateful. Hope y'all there are doing good too. Our pet cat has lost its sibling. This is my bike, the kind of motorcycle you see in Indonesia. It's a Vario. We use it every day for grocery shopping, work, and taking the kids to school. We're on the go. The person who came earlier, in the yellow shirt, was our customer. He was looking for cigarettes, but we ran out, so he had to go to another store. My kid showed the money we had for shopping. It's about 50,000. I'm not sure what the value is in the US though. Can you tell me, like, how much that'd be in American dollars? Just curious. Now we're at the young coconut seller's place. I'm planning to pay off the coconut debt we owe. And right now, my kid is paying it, around $50,000. Since the seller saw me recording his store, he asked why I was doing it. I replied, I want to put it on YouTube as a memory for later, so that someday I can watch the video again.
Enggak, YouTube tambah-tambah juga subscriber, sembarang aja kita konten. Jadi kita nanti kan lihat lagi nanti. My kid's reading blessings to the Prophet Muhammad. Then, let's check out the vibe around my area. It's so calming for the heart and soul.
Right now, we're at the market planning to grab some ice cream at Indomaret. My kid's been bugging me for it nonstop. Sorry for the blurry view, the camera's a bit off. About to step into Indomaret. Did you know they've got butterflies in there? No clue where they come from, but yeah, butterflies in the store. Let's check it out. I'm walking with my kids and suddenly a butterfly just flies by. Take a look. You might not believe there's a butterfly store in there.
Nggak usah ambil keranjang, orang kita mau beli anu aja. Jangan diganggu.
Here's the butterfly. You can see it landed behind my kid wearing the yellow shirt shortly after it flew away. My child is choosing ice cream and they picked an expensive one, but I stopped them because I don't have enough money to buy it. I asked them to choose something else. Eventually, they settled on corn and durian flavors. I advised them to ask the cashier about the price first, and if it fits our budget, then we'll buy it.
My child is very enthusiastic when choosing ice cream in the Indomaret's refrigerator. He's so excited that even if he's asleep, he'll wake up immediately if taken to Indomaret. Indomaret is a supermarket in Indonesia that provides all necessities, and we pay for our purchases at the cashier. Berapa? Berapa? 4.500. Dua. Ya, cepat. Maghrib.
Es krim. Papa duduk.
Ambil.
Maghrib, maghrib. Maghrib. In front of Indomaret, a large truck can be seen, possibly engaged in delivery or other activities. Meanwhile, the sound of the call to prayer, azan, is likely coming from the nearby mosque, summoning Muslims for prayer. Both these situations might add to the daily life around the area of the Indomaret. So there were a lot of motorbikes parked, and then there was also a big long truck in front of the Indomaret. The Indomaret had a night market next to it. We planned to relax with my two children, Alifa and Alifia. But then we thought about buying some banana fritters that were in front of the Indomaret. But before we went to the banana fritters, someone offered us some flyers. The flyers were a promotion for Indomaret. At my Look at this area around the Indomaret. It was starting to get dark and it was very crowded. There were a lot of people shopping. Some people were buying toys while others were buying fruits and vegetables. Because the night market next to the Indomaret had a lot of different kinds of stalls like corn, cucumbers, and eggplants. I also saw some beans that were being sold there to be used as ingredients for making vegetables at home. In short, it was a lot of fun. There was also a banana fritter seller in the area around the night market. The banana fritters were delicious, I thought. They cost 20,000 rupiah. I don't know what they're called in America. I wonder if there are snacks like this in America. The banana fritter seller was very nice. We call him Uncle here. I don't know his real name. I usually buy them from Uncle for 20,000 rupiah at home. And I invited Uncle to start a YouTube channel. The uncle was frying bananas, starting with agility. I watched him carefully, and I suggested to the banana fritter seller to upload his video on YouTube so that it could be advertised and sell better. The banana fritter seller told me that he had been selling banana fritters like this for 20 years. With the sales of his banana fritters, he has built a house, bought a car, and sent his children to higher education. Amazing, right? According to me, he is amazing. That's all for our story. I hope you enjoyed my story. I also hope you have the opportunity to travel to Indonesia and see our beautiful country. This is all I can record for now. In the future, I will record more beautiful places in Indonesia. Like, share, and subscribe to our video. And I hope you are always healthy there, my friends. I love you. Greetings from me in Indonesia. Amit. Pade. 20.000. Iya tak jadi Pak De, betulan. Orang semua pun maghrib sudah pergi sholat orang, kita belum nih. Dunia kerasnya dunia. Tapi bikin teh dulu, Mai.
Ini penting, Pak.
Aga. Oh iya.